What's up guys, and welcome back to So Many Parks. So today we are back at Cliff's Amusement Park in Albuquerque, New Mexico, the largest amusement park in New Mexico. Now, I previously covered this park in a So Many Parks episode. I had an awesome day there. However, last time I was here, New Mexico Rattler was running a little bit rough. Since then, I've heard that the coaster has gotten some new wood, so I am very excited to give it another ride. It is, of course, wooden coaster manufacturer Custom Coaster International's final roller coaster ever, and it is arguably the most thrilling roller coaster in the entire American Southwest. So yeah, my main goal is just to get back on this roller coaster and see how it's running. Also get some more shots of the roller coaster in the park. I was in a bit of a time crunch last time I was here, so today I'm just going to relax, enjoy the park, and yeah, we'll see what else we can get ourselves into. So let's go check out Cliff's Amusement Park. New Mexico Rattler is running fantastic. Now, the last time I was here, the ride was running extremely rough. And it was still a fun ride, but it was really hard to enjoy things like the forces, the laterals, because the ride was just, it felt like a car accident the entire way. Well, in the past couple of years, the park has been working meticulously on retracking this ride. Now, most of this ride is fresh wood now, so it is running absolutely amazing. The one exception is the final helix. That one still needs a bit of TLC. It still kind of bangs its way through it, but even still, it's running a lot better now. Now, when I rode the ride at the beginning of the day, it was running good, but not great. But after it's warmed up and it's running with full trains, it is doing excellent. Such an underrated and underappreciated attraction. Cliffs is absolutely lucky to have this roller coaster. So, interestingly, the last time I rode Galaxi, it was only running with one-car trains. I didn't even realize until like 1 year later that this thing usually runs with two-car trains. Well, the coaster's back on two-car trains, and I decided to give the back row a try because usually with these Galaxi-type rides, you actually get a fair amount of airtime in that back seat. Well, you do get a bit more than when it ran with the single-car trains, but it's still nowhere near as powerful as something like a Mousetrap at Wonderland. Still a really fun ride, though. Oh, look at that, a roller coaster that is not running. That's a shame. I would have loved to absolutely ride this ride that I absolutely love. that was Cliff's Amusement Park in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Man, this is such an underrated park. Yeah, it's just a very small regional theme park. It's quite a bit out of the way for most American coaster enthusiasts. Like, it's just a really, really fun place. They got a good kiddie coaster, a good intermediate coaster, and then a good high thrill coaster. And they even have their own little water park. It's a fun and vibrant atmosphere. It's relatively fairly priced. The employees are all really, really friendly. And yeah, New Mexico Rattler just makes it all the worthwhile. I'm really glad that this park is taking good care of this coaster. They're taking good care of this park. And yeah, I will definitely be back at some point. And the gimbal just died. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.